What is up guys, Julien here, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos. And we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this very famous Spanish wine region, or should we say Catalan wine region, because yes, this is located in Catalonia. I am French, but I do speak fluent Spanish and a little bit of Catalan as well. So we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this region in Catalonia, in the northeastern part of Spain, that produces some fantastic wines made from Grenache and Carignan, or Garnacha and Carignana, how they say in Spain, on the coast or near the coast of Catalonia, Spain. So how do you go about pronouncing this? Well, Priorat with the Catalan pronunciation or Spanish pronunciation, Priorat. Priorat, but it'd be fine to say Priorat. Priorat, Priorat. Again with the Spanish or Catalan pronunciation, Priorat. Priorat. In fact, the Spanish in Castellano, in Castilian language, the Spanish would say Priorato, but Priorato, but the Catalans themselves call it Priorat. Priorat. So that's the original name of the region, Priorat or Priorat. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye bye.